Hi Pisces. Let's do your mini reading today. Let's get you a Wisdom of the Oracle card. See what it has to say. One more little bit. Okay. It's beautiful. Beautiful card. Let's see if I... There we go. Higher power. It is. It's a beautiful card. I will read to you out of the book the prosperity message. It is number 4. And it says, sometimes your work just flows through you. Ideas come rushing in and inspiration bubbles up from a wellspring you didn't even know you could access. When you enter agreements, begin projects, and negotiate deals with Spirit as your partner, you will always succeed. Let your higher power lead. The synchronicities and intuitive nudges you feel will help you see which way you are being pointed, giving you confidence to move forward in the right direction. Don't forget to give credit where credit is due. You wouldn't be a success without Spirit's guidance. Humility will serve you well when this symbol appears. That's beautiful. Okay, let's get you a tarot card. Let's see if it maybe goes with this. A little bit more. I also think that's a beautiful image, these cards. Just beautiful and whimsical. But this one's just beautiful. Okay, here we go. Oh, this is awesome. Can you see that? You have the 10 of Pentacles. Oh my gosh. Everybody's reading today has come out so good. I am so happy. 10s are about completion. And the 10 of Pentacles is about a legacy, potentially inheritance. I mean, I want one. I would like one of those. You have accumulated wealth and abundance through hard work and dedication. It brings you deep joy and satisfaction to share this wealth with your loved ones. You express gratitude for fulfilling your material goals and dreams. And you've done it with Spirit's guidance. It's beautiful. And no, I don't think there's any need to clarify this at all. But we do want to take a charm. Sorry if they're kind of noisy. Let's see, what do we have here? Can you see that? It is a wine cart, or maybe it's champagne. Let me look a little closer. It could be either or. I'm leaning towards champagne. Oh wait, let me look again. I was just looking to see how many glasses there were there. There's one glass. But I think there's hors d'oeuvres maybe on there too. But at any rate, beautiful reading. Much celebration. I hope you enjoyed this. And if you did, please give it a thumbs up, share, and subscribe if you'd like. It all helps the channel grow. Have a wonderful day. Much love. Bye for now.